Good morning, and once again, I welcome you to Tony Forex Academy. Today is Friday, and the forex market is brimming with activity, especially for various currencies. And this is after we saw what happened with the Trump tariffs announcement, and the market really got shaken up. Especially, we saw many stocks fell, and more than $2.5 trillion was lost in the market. So as for Tony Forex Academy, we have various analysis for various pairs that we are going to look at. We are going to look at GBP USD, or the cable as you may know it, USD CAD, GBP JPY. Also, as traders, we anticipate the NFP report that is going to come out later today. We are going to digest and impact also on the Trump tariffs announcement. So let's start with GBP USD. I think I gave this setup yesterday, and you can see we ate well yesterday. You see, I gave this setup yesterday where I put my Fibonacci here, and I was looking at price to come to this level. And of course, when it came to this level, it broke this level a bit and went a bit further down. So at this point is forming a shoulder and trying to show a bearish reversal, a bullish reversal pattern. And we could look at price trying to move back towards let me see, price will try to move back this side, because let me delete this one for yesterday, and then can put let's try and bring this one here. Alright, so when I put it here, let's see, right, there. So okay, so if price come here at 1.31215 and it breaks this level, we could see a further upward movement ahead of NFP. Normally this happens with the GBP USD ahead of NFP, especially if we are expecting a weak labor market report. So trade cautiously, and we could wait for price to move further up, or if you were to enter this trade, you would enter this trade now and go with it, use proper risk management and move with it until this point, then wait for NFP report. Do not trade during the NFP. So that is for GBP USD, and we are seeing this on a 15-minute time frame. We could check on a 4-hour time frame for market direction, and we could see that of course there is a reversal after these sells. We could see that there's a demand for GBP ahead of NFP. Yes, so that is it for GBP. I'll go ahead and look at USD CAD. Where is it? USD CAD should be here. And this one also, I've marked key various levels, and as you can see, I'm waiting for a break of structure here. This today the USD CAD is trying to be bullish, but is facing a lot of resistance in this region. Of course, we expected that after the Trump tariff, we expected a weaker Canadian dollar. However, with this movement from here, we could see that it's like the dollar got weakened, and it's been selling despite even the yesterday's strong news for the USD and weak news for the Canadian dollar. I could see price is still going down, and you could wait and buy further down, because we don't know what to expect with the USD CAD right now. We expected more buys for USD, but it's not working. So if this price does not break this resistance, we could see a further down. Let me see, let me just show you something here. Let me remove this. So if this price does not break this level, we could see further down for this pair, probably towards this level. But if price breaks here, we could wait for a break of structure here, then we could now enter buy positions. And yes, we could wait for buy positions from here, but as we can see, the price is tending to move downward. So for USD CAD, this is possibly due to rising oil prices supporting the Canadian dollar, and the NFP could shift momentum with the traders eyeing for about this level. I think 1.43. Yes, this level. This is the level. If the NFP news change the momentum, we could look for a buy from here up to this other upper part. So we are going to look at GJ. Where is GJ? GJ is here. Yes, I gave this setup yesterday, and I think most of you guys ate well, because there was just let me change these because I could move this further down today. Okay, here it's perfect. So let's see. All right, so I think here you can see it clearly. Put our Fibonacci here, and now you could see that there's a price movement downward since yesterday, and waiting for, even this one is trying to show a support here, trying to show a support here. However, for GJ, this pair is showing a bullish momentum, a bearish momentum since yesterday, and as the GBP weakens, the NFP could introduce some volatility, and if you know the yen and the dollar, if we have a weak NFP, we could see people buying more of the pound. So this report is expected to bring heightened volatility across this pair, because as we know, the current US government with the Doge Department of Government Efficiency have been trying so hard to cut government jobs, and many people have been fired from their jobs. So we don't know if this also will it's going to affect the report, where we could see a lower week report showing a weaker dollar. But for this pair, if you were to enter this trade now, I would maybe go for short buy positions, where I could just buy from here right now up to, yes, this level, and then wait as we see as the day goes by. So that's it for today, and we look forward to a happy trading. We expect the market to cool off probably next week after these Trump tariff. The market will try to absorb and see how it goes. So with the reciprocal tariff plan announcement shaking up the global market, we are looking at how it might also impact other currency pairs, not only this that we've discussed here. And remember, trading comes with risk, and this video is for educational purposes only. So Do not take this as financial advice, and I wish you a happy trading week.